Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find display and brightness. Let's tap on it, and here as you can see we've got the option auto screen off, so let's tap. And here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which is right now applied, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So all you have to do in order to change the timeout is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, let's tap on it, and as you can see we do not have to enter this option again in order to check, because it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.